see all this ukbu, all this will pass. Don't leave me. Hey! Now wow. You see this level, it fit me die.
That's why you get them.
Now me get her.
No other person.
Now me get her. Now you know if you pack your things, come house.
Ha, baby, you know what? If they carry 2 ballot paper, put them for ground, say make I vote for who I want vote for among the 2 of you. Now you I go vote for. Now you. If they carry gun, come say make I shoot 1 person out of 2 of you. Now you I go shoot.
Hey! But wait to come. Why you tell your bobo say they go now?
Hey, see question. Where I tell her. Tell her say I dey go mama place now. Say mama no way. Say I won't go take care of mama. Say mama sick.
Hey!
Ha!
Hey,
Now because of you now. Mama say I love you. Baby, I love you so much.
Mama go well, oh. You go tell her that kind of thing now. Don't you tell her until you go VG.
Tell her VG. Like say no, you don't know that man where they are so. VG, he go call my pastor, begin answer whether me dey church. Make him dey find me, whether me dey church. Never know am.
Wait, come on, let's talk better thing now. See this level. This thing fit me past that guy.
Now you get down.
Now wow.
No.
As I just look you like this, my body just do me gas, goes gas.
Bobo, small. No do that time. No do me as they do me that time. So my body begin pain me.
I know what it is straight, man.
Bobo, hey, go see me.
How mama body?
Hey, baby, mama still dey sick oh. Hey? Mama still dey sick oh. Ha, baby, you see the places where I carry mama go. Mama no still well. Mama don't dry. Hey, mama don't over dry self.
Like bonga fish?
Hey, it pass bonga. I carry mama go mosque. I carry and go church. I carry and go babalawo. I carry and go. In fact, baby, we go Obatala place. Sickness where they do mama. Hey!
Mama still no well?
You know well?
Obatala? Shango? Hey, Afa? Hey, Onijem? Hey.
All those places we go. Mama no well oh. Mama don't you know as mama take fast. Mama don't dry. You don't dry. You pass crayfish. You pass that one over. Hey, baby.
Hey, now this kind of thing be this,
I don't know the kind of sickness when mama go carry. I don't know when mama go choke her head put. Mama don't dry. Dry.
Wait, Bimbo. What you can do? You know what, Bimbo? Mama, the better in-law to me.
No, sure, I know.
This mama where you see, mama they better to me. I like him like I take like my mama. You hear me so? So the thing I go do you now be say, after 1 week, I will come give you extra 2 weeks. You could go take care of mama. How about that? You good like that? 2 weeks.
Maybe I go now. I don't say like mama. I don't make anything but do mama.
Yes.
I go now.
Now how much you go need for that 2 weeks? Even medicine, feeding, everything.
Everything.
Yes.
Baby. Baby, 500,000.
Okay. I will give you.
I go take care of mama.
Right.
Well.
Hey, my baby, mama go.
Hey, baby. You like mama?
Mama, yo.
Yeah.
Mama, yo.
Which mama?
Yes. Mama, wait now.
My mama be your mama.
Person when they carry wife come meet, no they pay.
Baby.
Now, so
my mama be your mama.
Which mama sick? Not be me. Hey. Not be me. You be like say you get 2 mama. Me 1. Another one for yonder.
Mama? Hey.
Not be me.
Now I became business, mama.
Make I tell you, all the thing where you they talk, now him I they hear inside. Make I can't give you your full reply.
Hey.
Now so your papa they talk and the time where you they alive. 1. Now your papa now him go sick for grave. Him don't die, him go come sick.
Hey.
The other one, you say your papa, you don't dry like bonga fish. Now him go dry. Him don dey dry. Him don dry finish. Listen, the third one, you say your mama get Ebola. Not be me get Ebola. Now your papa, now him get the thing wey pass Ebola. When him go reach heaven like this, Papa God go tell and say, this your Ebola don beyond everything. As you talk am, now you talk am, so not be me.
Make you not come infect.
Make you not come infect the other ghost. Where they there? Make angels no get Ebola. How you go come talk this kind thing? Arika, na like this you dey waka? Akomo, na like this Arika dey waka?
Na so. You see now?
For where this kind pikin come? Not be me go born this kind foolish, stupid, useless girl.
Only me, Mama.
Ah, mo dáná mo gbé. Irú ọmọ òṣìwò ni. Ah, ọmọ òfò.
You see
Hey,
that?
Mama, you don't dey carry friends.
Hey, no.
Your friends don't teach you.
You say mama sick. Say na this mama sick. This one sick. I mean something they chop you for head. It be like say she don't get to mama.
Come.
One mama for here, one mama for yonder.
You don't finish. You see your life? Make I help you beggar. The whole year wey me and your papa stay for this life, I never remember one day where I sleep for outside.
Hey?
If I tell your papa say I wan go see my mama, he go tell me say no chance. Olori buruku money, eh?
You see now? Mama say na papa for grave na he go carry Ebola. You see? She don't carry in papa head. She don't take in papa head. Carry curses. Make I tell you, Mama you see so. The time when you come out this house last week, it no reach 5 hours. Now Mama arrived this house. Talk another story. Mama, my verdict now. Enough is enough. Being bothered they cheat me. Since when me I no suspect. But then say as the Bible they talk, then say every day now for robbers, for person when they steal, but now one day for the owner. That one day, now be the day when the owner will catch up. Now that one day. Now be this one. My verdict be this, Mama. Being born, I no go marry you. Yeah. God bear my witness. Oh, nothing. We go make you marry me.
Shut up, you not finish. Shut up. Who go help you, baby?
Mama, that is what make you answer. Make you touch me. Make you touch me. Make you touch me.
What's baby?
How far now? What's happening? You go Syria. So you pack like refugee, so where they go?
In fact, as I reach house that day, hey, Mama will take lie. Say Mama sick, say she dry, say Mama carry Ebola. Mama no carry Ebola. E no even take, no reach 5 hours. We are come up for us, now Mama enter house. Baby no, hey, baby. He don't pursue me for house. So Mama deny me. Instead deny me, say make I dey go where they come from.
I can't wait first. Wait first.
Wait
first now.
Waiting now.
You know I tell you say, now let me there so.
You promise me say make I come stay with you now. Say you dey enjoy all those. Abi don't forget.
Wait. You never reach bus stop where my wife and pikin there. 4. Land yesterday, the dancer has this.
Hey, whoa! I don't suffer.
So I know one wahala. You know if you stay for here, if they meet for Master Hotel anyhow.
Hey, baby, I don't suffer. Where you want me to go now?
I know what I go escort you.
No, me not like this.
Nah, come, leave that thing. Come, stop.